Project control tools are specially designed to assist an individual or team in organizing and managing their projects and tasks effectively. These tools usually refer to software and cloud services, which you can either purchase or even use for free online. Do you know what are essential project controls tools for your career success? If not, then do not worry. I have got you covered. In the next 5 minutes, we would learn about the top 5 project control tools. In the modern project management world, the role of tools and software is growing at a very fast rate. These tools play a critical role in improving project management processes. However, as technology evolves, more tools become available for use. This can become overwhelming as to what tool to choose from for controlling projects. Sometimes, finding and selecting the right tool is a project of its own that needs a dedicated team of experts to do the commercial and technical evaluation, perform beta testing, assess organizational and project needs, and much more. There are plenty of tools available today for project controllers to help them better manage and control projects. But the question is, which one is essential tool to learn and master? What is the most popular tool in the project control field? Here are the top 5 essential project controls tools that you need to master for a successful project controller role. The first one is project scheduling software, which is either Oracle Primavera P6 or MS Project. This is one of the primary tools that each project controller must master and should be proficient in using this software. Although having a fundamental knowledge of planning and scheduling concepts are critical, your skills in scheduling tool plays an important role to practically implementing the planning expertise. You must be proficient in either Primavera or MS Project. Primavera P6 has higher capabilities as compared to MS projects. However, the majority of organizations and small projects use MS Project as their primary scheduling tool. Make sure that you take the training required to master your skills in utilizing either of these scheduling tools. Get yourself familiar with the features of the software and what you can do with the tool. The second most popular tool for project controllers is MS Office Excel. Even though MS Office is a very powerful tool package for workplace productivity, MS Excel is the most popular module among project controllers. Excel is an essential number crunching software and generates advanced reports. Excel is powerful software and can help you to perform a wide range of jobs for business purposes. Apart from the power of data analytics, Excel can create a visual timeline chart and help you map out a project schedule and project phases. Specifically, you can create a Gantt chart, which is a popular tool for project management because it maps out tasks based on how long they'll take, when they start, and when they finish. You need to be competent and highly proficient in using Excel. The third one is schedule assessment tools. In addition to the tools discussed so far, there are several schedule assessment tools, such as Deltek Acumen or Schedule Analyzer, that help you to analyze the quality of the schedule. These tools allow you to analyze the health of your schedule and evaluate schedule performance. It is important to know the quality of schedule data and make decisions based on correct information. These schedule assessment tools will allow you to go beyond basic checks and resolve project shortcomings in very short intervals. These tools will also enable you to quickly evaluate multiple scenarios of the project schedules and generate reliable information. The fourth one is SAP and ERP Systems. As a project controller, your main focus would be on controlling project cost and minimizing budget deviations. For that, you will need to know the actual costs, commitments, PO values, and other key cost data of the projects. This information needs to be extracted from financial systems like Oracle or SAP. Talking about SAP, I highly recommend that you make yourself familiar with this tool. Did you know that SAP was ranked the third largest software and programming company after Microsoft and Oracle? There is no wonder why more organizations are using SAP now. The fifth one is risk analysis tools. As a project controller, you will need to master tools for performing project cost and schedule risk analysis. For schedule risk analysis, you can utilize tools such as Primavera Risk Analysis and Acumen Risk, or run the Monte Carlo simulation model. Primavera Risk Analysis integrates directly with project schedules and cost estimates to provide quick and easy analysis for developing a risk mitigation plans. Acumen Risk allows you to analyze thousands of activities in seconds while accounting for scope uncertainty, work complexity, weather events, and opportunities. For cost risk analysis, there are tools such as At Risk and Crystal Ball. At Risk performs risk analysis. Use Monte Carlo simulation to show you many possible outcomes in your spreadsheet model. It mathematically and objectively computes and tracks many different possible future scenarios. Also, it tells you the probabilities and risks associated with each risk. Oracle Crystal Ball is another spreadsheet-based application for predictive modeling, forecasting, simulation, and optimization. It gives you unparalleled insight into the critical factors affecting risk. So these are the 5 key tools for a project controller. Although knowing these tools is essential, but not enough for successful project controls. Also, it is critical for project controller to have competency in the fundamental knowledge and concepts of project management. The concepts and techniques you learned at projectsmind are applicable to all your projects and are used by Fortune 500 firms. If you like this video, then hit the like button and let us know how you feel about us by leaving a comment in the below section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.